We come here, a lot of different members of the community are here, mostly little kids and their families, and we just do a whole bunch of different activities. It's a fun, positive way for families to get started with their weekend. It makes me really proud to be a part of this community and serving it by helping out. It's fun as a high schooler to connect with those families, and it feels good. It's a good start to the weekend.
I've been babysitting this little boy, and I really enjoy that there's activities to do. I really like how many different opportunities, just a lot of cute little crafts that he could bring home and show his parents. It's so great to see familiar faces, even see some of his friends. They can all get together outside of school. He can see his teachers doing silly things like singing and dancing in classrooms. I think it's really a lighthearted thing to be a part of.
And it is so important for our community to come together because it just shows how reunited we are, no matter the language barrier, no matter where do you come from. The little kids are very excited, running around, singing, jumping, reading, and I like to have an impact on this community. So as I see as they come together, it kind of rewards me as a student to watch my community just reunite.